Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating your own Flash USDT ERC20 token with the help of ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to generate a smart contract to create a Flash USDT token. After a few tries and some adjustments, I finally received a working version of the code. You can find the finalized smart contract code linked in the description below. Before deploying the token, you'll need to install the MetaMask browser extension if you haven't already. Deposit at least 0.05 ETH into your wallet. This will let you mint around 50,000 Flash USDT tokens. Create and compile the smart contract in Remix. Go to Remix, create a new file and name it usdt.sol. Paste the smart contract code, linked in the description, into this file. This is the updated version code. Paste here into Remix. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select compiler version 0.8.30 and click Compile. I repeat, you select the version 0.8.30. This is the latest version code. If everything is correct, you'll see a green check mark, indicating successful compilation. Now deploy the contract. Head to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Under Environment, choose Injected Provider, MetaMask. Connect MetaMask. Connect your wallet. If your MetaMask connected properly, your balance shown here. Expand the Contract Constructor section. Set the token name to Tether. Set the symbol to USDT. Click Transact to deploy the contract. In the max fee field, enter a rounded up number to avoid underpayment. Expect a gas fee of around $2 to $3. Depending on network traffic, confirm the transaction, wait some moment. Now verify and fund the contract. Once deployed, copy your contract address. Head over to Etherscan and paste the address to view and verify your contract. Contract is leaving Etherscan. Open MetaMask and send at least 0.05 ETH to your contract address. Don't forget to include extra ETH for gas fees. Confirm the transaction. After complete the transaction, refresh the Etherscan page, your balance showing here. Now mint your tokens. Return to Remix once your contract is funded. You should see the balance reflected in the contract panel. Click Start. And again, enter the max fee and confirm the transaction. Also confirm in MetaMask. Once confirmed, click Withdraw to transfer the tokens to your wallet. Again, some gas fee and click Confirm. Wait some time to complete the transaction. Close the extension. See this 3 green check mark. Now open your wallet. After a short wait, the Flash USDT tokens should appear in your wallet. You'll see around 50,000 tokens. Now you can send these tokens to any wallet or exchange. Also, upload on gambling site. Stake you can easily upload. If you need help at any stage, feel free to contact me on Telegram.